food and beverage chemicals are used to clean equipment, treat water, adjust pH levels, and maintain hygiene across production environments. They help ensure safe, compliant processes that meet regulatory and quality standards. At ReAgent, we manufacture and supply chemicals for use in food and beverage processing, brewing, and manufacturing. Our products are used in everything from clean-in-place cleaning and flavour extraction to acidity control. We supply acids, alkalis, purified water, and cleaning agents, as well as tailored chemical blends to meet specific production needs. Whether you're running a bottling plant or a food prep facility, our chemicals support safe and efficient operations. All our products are traceable, with fast lead times and full technical backup to support hygiene and safety compliance. We're certified to ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 13485, and ISO 45001. And our internal quality processes ensure product quality from production to delivery. In the food industry, there's no room for error. Trust ReAgent for safe, reliable chemical supply. Contact us today to see how we can support your business.